Hey guys, so I just got my 2-pack of pet feeders here, and so I'm going to take it out and show you guys everything that comes with it. And so here is the bottom here. This is how it looks. I'll bring you guys down to the floor here so you can see it with me. Okay, so here we are. This is the first one that came, and it's this nice little pan here. I like this. And then this is obviously for the water. So you fill it up with the water and then you place it there, and then it will, so it fits in like this. Here, I'll show you guys. There, so then there we go. So now it's in here and you fill that with water, and then it automatically drips out whenever this is not full. So they drink some and then it starts dripping out there. So that's what's for the water. And then over here is for the food. So this one is the bigger one, sort of, that is more like for the food itself. So let me take this out for you guys. Just unboxing it here. Let me put that box over there. And so here is what this one looks like. And this one's much bigger. So how this one works is this one is the big hole now. So it's got this big hole here so that when you put the food in it, it will, even if it's big food, it'll be able to fit through this hole here. And then you just fill it up and then just put it on here. Well, actually you can just fill it up through the top here. So let me figure out how you open this. Oh, it just comes out. So it just pops off like that. And so then you fill that up while it's over here on the ground, and then you can just have them here. So that one, this one is for the food, and then this one is for the water, for it to drip. So it's a nice set, and they look nice, and this would be a nice little set to have, you know, in the house for my cats or dogs. But this one is for the water, and then this one's for the food and the kibble. So this is perfect, and I like it, and it comes with everything you need. This is also another replacement for the water one here. And so just once that one gets dirty, maybe you want to put in a new one, here you go, and this will go in there. So this is perfect, and I like it, and I give it a thumbs up.